Hello, everybody out there in YouTube land. Welcome to Mow for Show. Mostly everything I've been doing so far is Reelmower content, specifically Greensmower content. I do plan on doing some grass content also, just going over what I'm doing with my yard or around the yard or, some tips and tricks or whatever. I mean, I'm not a professional by any means, but I do plan on doing some yard content. So I just want to let you know what I'm doing here. So it snowed last week and the yard was pretty wet. I mean, it was pretty bad. So before it dried up, I figured I'd get this big boy out. This is a Greens King 526A, a Jacobson. And these babies are about 250 pounds. So before it dried up, I figured I'd just run it out there without the reel on and just kind of use it as a lawn roller, basically. And so if you have a reel mower that has a rear drum on it, then if your yard's pretty wet and you want to kind of flatten it out a little bit, maybe you got some humps and bumps and you just kind of want to get it just a tiny bit flatter before the season starts, then you want to do that while it's wet. So the grass was pretty wet outside, so I went ahead and just ran across it a couple of different directions. And you don't have to make your line straight or anything crazy like that. I mean, the grass is still dormant, but I figured I would just do it and kind of flatten the yard out a little bit. So here in the near future, when it actually starts warming up, which it did this week, thank God, I'll start doing some grass stuff and talk about doing pre-emergence and scalping and stuff that I'm doing, to my lawn. You can take everything I say with a grain of salt. You know what I mean? I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing. If you want to ask questions, I'll try to answer them. Like I said, I'm not a professional or anything crazy like that. I don't have my license, for like spraying, you know, herbicides and pesticides and things like that. But I spray for weeds and I spray for pesticides, mostly, grubs and things, ants, basically ants and spiders and stuff like that. So if you want to watch, you can. If you don't, you can move on to the next guy. There's plenty of people out there doing lawn content and mower content, but I'll be going over a lot of greens mower stuff. And here lately, I've only been doing toro because that's just what I've been working on. I do have a couple of John Deeres I'm going to be working on, so when I hit those and start tearing them apart, I'll start going over some John Deere stuff and tell you how to replace the reel and the bearings and things like that, because the John Deeres I'm getting ready to do are pretty rusty. They're pretty bad, but that's my job. My job is to clean them up, get them running nice, looking good, all that good stuff. So if you want to stick around and subscribe, you can. I'll be here throughout the year just making some videos. Just wanted to tell you what I was doing in this one. Thanks for watching.